The Navy Yard in Charleston has a new urban center on the rise. This building near the East Montague Strip near McMillan and Sproul Avenue has been an electric pump house and the old naval base. It's now going to be redeveloped so it can be for new offices, residents, shops, and restaurants on the old military site. This is actually going to be the first time that this building has been used and redeveloped since 1996 when the naval base was closed. It's going to be funded by a Atlanta-based company. And I'm so happy that it happened because, I love this area and I really think that this area shows so much potential in my city. And I just wanted to keep you up abroad with what's going on. While the plans are still in effort to happen, it's going to take about 10 to 15 years to happen. Charleston is still a very small area, but it's going to happen pretty soon. Once again, this is Vince Media TV. Just wanted to show y'all this video right here. If you like this content that I'm filming on the naval base, please like it, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace.